Hey guys, and welcome to another Cook With Me. This time it's cook a random dinner from things in my fridge edition. So I went fridge diving and this is what I came up with. I'm thinking I'm going to make some kind of patisserie spiced bread with loads of salad and hummus. So first of all, I started off by boiling the kettle, chopping the veg and getting the couscous ready. I chopped in some garlic and some chilli, and then I heated up my fallen grilled chicken.
This is a jar one from Lidl, but I think it was like 90p or something. Literally whack a spoon of
Get
that
everything
in any
sauteing in the
cooking.
pan, chucking all of the
Amazing.
veggies,
Number 4,
and let it sizzle. I added in all my spices, all my herbs and seasoning, and some mushrooms as well, and let that cook for a nice hot heat. Prepped some salad,
but seriously,
good old shake, get a bit of texture on there,
eggs
and
and a
then
Sharpie.
chopped it
Kind of
up and
random, I
popped it on
know,
the
but hear
plate,
me
and
out on
this
this
is what we
one.
came up
When you're
with.
cooking for one
It's
person,
delicious
quite
and
often
can
you're
be
opening things and
£9.99
chucking it back in the
off
fridge,
combo.
and you might not always remember when that was. So my top tip: seal everything.
Hey
With
guys,
pegs,
and
I mean
welcome to another
just
Cook
literally
With Me.
close
This time
peg
it's
and
cook a
grab a
random dinner
Sharpie,
from
mark the
things
date
in
on
my
it, and then you
fridge
can't forget.
edition.
Food
So I
poisoning
went
is
fridge
a
diving,
word.
and this is what I
So
came
if
up
you have
with.
any
I'm
other
thinking I'm
random
going to make
tips
some
you think
kind
I should
of
be including in my
patisserie
top hacks
spiced
for
bread
students?
with loads of salad and hummus. So first of all, I started off by boiling the kettle.